think light only helps you see clearly? Not exactly. It can make you laugh, sleep, get irritated, even sneeze uncontrollably. This isn't superstition. It's a real reflex deeply wired into your nervous system. If you've ever stepped into sunlight and instantly sneezed, chances are your brain just got tricked by the light. A true science mystery, and you are the main character. We usually think of sneezing as a natural reflex, like when your nose gets irritated by dust. But sneezing is actually the result of a complex chain of reflexes. It starts with a nerve signal from the nose sent to the brain, then the brain sends commands to dozens of muscle groups to act at once to forcefully push air out. And all of this happens in just a split second. But then, something completely unrelated, like light, can suddenly make you sneeze. Why? The problem isn't in your nose, it's in your brain. This strange phenomenon is called the photic sneeze reflex. Sounds funny, but it's real. Some people, when looking at bright light, especially sunlight, will sneeze instantly. And not just once, sometimes 3 or 4 times in a row. Why? Light stimulates the optic nerve, but in some people, that signal spills over to the trigeminal nerve, which controls nose sensation. Your brain mistakes the light for something tickling your nose. And so, achoo. You're not sneezing because of allergies, but because your brain is too sensitive and easily tricked. Interestingly, not everyone experiences this phenomenon. Statistics show that only about 10% to 35% of the global population have photic sneeze. And that makes it an incredibly interesting unknown fact. Many studies show that this phenomenon is genetic. That means if your parents sneeze in the sunlight, chances are you do too. You're not broken. You're not weird. You're a unique part of a group whose nerves are simply more responsive to light. Light doesn't just make you sneeze. It can influence your emotions, biological rhythms, and even your thoughts little by little. Blue light from your phone makes it harder to sleep by suppressing melatonin. Warm yellow light creates a relaxing feeling, that's why spas use it. Natural sunlight boosts serotonin, the chemical that lifts your mood. And in some people, light can confuse the nervous system and farting becomes a side reflex. This isn't just a light reflex, it's part of hidden knowledge, things we can't see, but that shape our lives. Maybe, light is silently affecting your mental state every day, and you don't even realize it. So, should you be worried? The answer is no. Photic sneeze isn't a disease. It's harmless, not contagious, and doesn't cause any serious issues. It's just a minor glitch in the nervous system, but a fascinating one. And who knows? In the future, this strange reflex might help us understand more about how the brain and body interact through light. If you've ever sneezed when stepping into the sunlight, you're not alone. Leave a comment if you're part of the Sunlight Sneeze Club. And don't forget to share this video with that one friend who always sneezes in the sun. You might just help them discover a hidden ability.